Looking for an all-in-one business management solution that won't break the bank? Odoo claims to revolutionize how businesses operate with its integrated suite of apps. But is it really worth the investment? Let's dive deep and find out. Odoo is a comprehensive ERP, enterprise resource planning, platform that combines multiple business applications into one seamless system. Unlike traditional software where you pay separately for CRM, accounting, inventory, project management, Odoo bundles everything together on a single database, making integration effortless. Key features. Odoo's standout feature is its modular approach. You get access to hundreds of apps, including sales, CRM, accounting, inventory, HR, project management, e-commerce, website builder, and point of sale. What makes this special is that all of these apps work together seamlessly since they're built on the same database. The platform offers incredible customization options through Odoo Studio, allowing non-technical users to modify workflows, create automations, and customize reports without coding knowledge. For more advanced users, the open source architecture enables deep customizations and third-party integrations. If you're liking this content so far, hit that subscribe button. Now let's move on to pricing. Odoo offers three main pricing tiers that are quite competitive in the ERP space. One app free, completely free for unlimited users, but you can only access one app of your choice. Perfect for small businesses testing the waters. The standard plan for $31.10 per user per month. This gives you access to all apps including sales, accounting, CRM, inventory, and more through Odoo online hosting. Custom plan for $46.80 per user per month, and that includes everything in the standard plan plus multi-company support. Odoo Studio for customizations, external API access, and flexible hosting options, including Odoo Online or Odoo.sh. All plans include unlimited support, hosting maintenance, and regular upgrades with no hidden costs. Pros: exceptional value for money compared to competitors like SAP or Dynamics 365. Highly customizable without requiring extensive technical knowledge. Seamless integration between all modules on a single database. And a strong community support and extensive third-party marketplace. Cons: not a plug-and-play solution. It requires proper implementation planning. Documentation and support can be inconsistent, especially for complex issues. Annual upgrades require additional costs and can be complicated with heavy customization. So in conclusion, Odoo is better for small to mid-sized businesses looking for an affordable, integrated ERP solution that can grow with them. It's particularly suitable for companies wanting to move beyond basic tools like QuickBooks, but aren't ready for enterprise-level systems like NetSuite. The platform excels when you need multiple business functions working together seamlessly, and you're willing to invest time in proper implementation. However, larger companies with complex industry-specific needs might find it lacking compared to more specialized solutions. Ready to transform your business operations? You can find useful links in the description down below to start your free Odoo trial. If this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more software reviews. Thank you for watching.